Imagine biting into perfectly crispy French fries, golden chicken wings, or roasted veggies, all without the guilt of deep-fried oil or the hassle of a bulky appliance hogging your counter space. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, pinch yourself, because this Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer oven, 2.6 quarts Aqua, makes it reality. This compact, stylish air fryer is here to revolutionize your cooking game, delivering healthier meals in minutes with zero compromises on flavor. Whether you're a busy student, a small space dweller, or just someone craving quick, delicious food, this air fryer is about to become your kitchen MVP. Let's dive into why this little Aqua gem is stealing hearts and appetites everywhere. Why the Tasti-Crisp stands out. Air fryers have taken over kitchens worldwide, but not all are created equal. The Tasti-Crisp isn't just another gadget, it's a thoughtfully designed powerhouse that balances simplicity, style, and performance. Here's why it's turning heads. Healthier cooking. Made simple. Using AirCrisp technology, this air fryer cooks with hot air instead of oil, slashing fat content by 70 to 80%. Enjoy your favorite fried foods, think crispy fries, wings, or even donuts, without the calorie overload. Compact yet mighty. At 2.6 quarts, it's perfect for solo meals or small households, fitting snugly in dorms, apartments, or RVs. Don't let the size fool you. The redesigned crisper basket maximizes surface area for evenly crispy results every time. Effortless operation. No complicated controls here. With a fixed 400-degree Fahrenheit temperature, just pop your food in the nonstick basket, set the timer, and let the magic happen. It's so intuitive, even air fryer newbies will feel like pros. Safety. First, the auto-shutoff feature prevents overcooking, and the cool touch handle keeps your hands burn-free. Perfect for seniors or anyone who loves worry-free cooking. Aesthetic appeal. Available in a chic aqua finish plus other colors, this air fryer doubles as countertop eye candy. It's proof that healthy cooking can look good. Solving real kitchen struggles. Let's face it, cooking can feel like a chore, especially when you're short on time or space. Maybe you're tired of soggy oven-baked fries, or you cringe at the thought of cleaning greasy pans. The Tasti-Crisp swoops in to save the day. It tackles common pain points with finesse. No more oil mess. Say goodbye to splattered stovetops and slippery skillets. This air fryer uses hot air to crisp up food, so you get the crunch without the cleanup chaos. Small space savior. If your kitchen counter is more crowded than a rush hour subway, this compact air fryer is a godsend. It's small enough to tuck away, yet powerful enough to handle your go-to recipes. Time crunch? No problem. Whether you're racing between classes or juggling work-from-home chaos, this air fryer delivers crispy meals in minutes. Frozen nuggets, veggies, or even a quick dessert. It's all done faster than you can say, take out. Healthy eating, no sacrifice. Want to cut back on fried foods but can't resist their crunch? The Tasti-Crisp lets you indulge guilt-free, making it easier to stick to your wellness goals. Who's it for? This air fryer is a match made in heaven for anyone who values convenience, health, and flavor. Picture this: a college student whipping up late-night snacks in their dorm, a young couple cooking quick dinners in their tiny apartment, or a retiree enjoying hassle-free meals without the fuss. It's ideal for small households, perfect for 1 or 2 people with enough capacity for generous portions. Space-conscious cooks, dorms, RVs, or studio apartments, this air fryer fits anywhere. Health enthusiasts. If you're aiming for lower-fat meals without losing taste, this is your ticket. Busy bees, short on time. This air fryer's speed and simplicity keep up with your hustle. The numbers don't lie. Here's a quick look at what makes the Tasti-Crisp a standout. Capacity, 2.6 quarts, ideal for 1 to 2 servings. Power, 1000 watts for fast, efficient cooking. Fat reduction. Cuts added fat by 70 to 80% compared to traditional frying. Dimensions. Compact design fits any countertop. Check specs for exact measurements. Warranty. 1-year manufacturer warranty. Extendable to 2 years with registration. Why now's the time to grab it? Air fryers aren't just a trend, they're a lifestyle upgrade. With the Tasti-Crisp, you're not just buying an appliance, you're investing in quicker, healthier, tastier meals. Its affordable price point makes it accessible, and the Aqua color adds a pop of personality to your kitchen. Plus, with over 19,000 5-star reviews on Amazon, it's clear this air fryer has a loyal fan base. Don't wait for another burnt oven tray or greasy takeout bag to make the switch. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.